my channel. So today we're gonna talk about what I can fit in my brand new Chanel single flap. I think it's just called a flap bag. That's what it was called. If you haven't seen my unboxing, I'm gonna link it down below. I've purchased this bag recently from Fashion File. It was a brand new bag. I think I scored on it. I got an amazing price on it. Like I said, it came brand new and it's patent leather. It's a calfskin patent leather. It looks just like so. It's in this beautiful kind of orangey, I would say red color. Has a very generous pocket in the back, and then of course has a chain which is has about 9 inches drop, so it's just comfortable, you know, enough to wear it as it could be even an everyday bag, because as you can see guys, I have it stuffed right now. It's not a very wide bag because it's kind of like, I would say, a clutch type of bag, but it can fit a ton because it's very squishy. It's, you know, it's very kind of soft, as you can see. And I packed what I would normally carry with me, and I did carry this bag a few times already. I'm just so happy. First I was gonna wait until spring, but I was like, what the heck, I'm just gonna wear it. So we had some nice weather recently, so yeah, I decided to take it out. So let me show you what I normally would carry with me, and then we're gonna go through a couple of different options. So there is a typical Chanel lock. When you open this up, it's all red interior, leather interior, and as you can see, I have it packed pretty well. So normally what I would carry is like some kind of, you know, Kleenex tissues, which I had right on top. And then you guys, I have this big Chanel hand cream, which is pretty, you know, this is pretty bulky packaging. So I was just surprised myself how much I can actually fit in here. So that was right in there. Then this is a pretty big, well, it's compact, Louis Vuitton compact zippy wallet. So it's obviously a little shorter than a full-size wallet, but still fits in very easily in this handbag. And then there we go, I have my cell phone, which is the iPhone 6, and then my keys, which again, they are, you know, pretty, they're not small, you know, it's pretty big packaging. And then on the bottom I have a couple of lipsticks, so let me just take them out. So I have a lip gloss and then a lipstick, and I have some perfume in this kind of, you know, smaller packaging. So this is typically what I would carry. Obviously I don't have any like a mini pochette or small cosmetic case because it would take just too much, you know, space. But as you can see, the bag is pretty, you know, it can open pretty widely. There is a little pocket which I didn't really put anything inside here, and I didn't put anything in the back pocket, but normally you could. Why not? So yes, as you can see, like this wallet, see there's how much space left. This is, you know, it's pretty cool. I think it's still, I consider this to be pretty, you know, decent size bag. It's 11 inches wide, so that's why you have so much space. But let's say if you don't, you know, carry like a bigger wallet, of course you're gonna have more space if you just put like a little zippy coin, you know, purse or card case. See how much more space I'll have immediately. So obviously I'll be able to put all that stuff and more. What else you can do? You can just use a regular, you know, if you don't carry too much stuff with you, just use a regular card case, which is, it's gonna take even less room. And then, you know, I mean, if you have a smaller key, maybe like this, it will definitely fit in. The hand cream will fit in, and obviously all my lipsticks and tissues. And then maybe, you know, like I wear glasses, so this will definitely fit in. Look at this, guys, see? And I can close it. It's only because this bag is very soft, so see, and it's perfect. It's just gonna, yeah, it's just gonna be ideal. There's everything I need and more. Even if you have like, maybe if you don't, you know, if I wouldn't use this, I can maybe put my sunglasses. They usually come in a very bulky packaging, so this is probably not a good idea. But if you have like a soft, you know, like a soft case to carry, then you can just put it, you know, on top of your handbag and you'll be good to go. Yeah, and your keys, and yeah, I think it's perfect. So I've seen quite a few of those bags on the market, like a pre-owned market. So if you ever were considering, they come in different colors. So I don't know if they still have them at the stores. I have no clue because I don't have any Chanel store near me. So obviously, I don't know. But you know, you can always go and check. Like I said, this is a clutch, and you know, once I use a little bit more, I'm gonna do like more in-depth review at some point. But I just wanted to share this with you because I have been really enjoying using this bag. I just think it's so cute, and I love the color. Normally this is like, I go for black, gray, you know, kind of very neutral colors. So this is like, I would say shocking to me, but you guys, once I saw this orangey kind of, it's a red with orange undertone, that's what it really is, bag, it's just like, it's brightened my life in an instant. And even my husband, who is normally, he doesn't care about the, you know, like luxury goods and designer goods, although he has quite a few items, but he's like, you know, he comes with a reserve, like he's like, take it easy, right? He fell in love when I showed him this bag when it arrived, and I, you know, kind of show him once I unboxed it. He said it's really nice. So yeah, I'm very happy that I was able to get it, and I'm even more happy that it was brand new. That's what it counts, right? So anyway, I'm rambling now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!